Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate a man known by many names. To his patients, Dr. Vosotros. To his friends, Bonnie. And to us, Danny.
Dr. Bonnie Vosotros!
Times and places are all in who you share them with. And it's life, and the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spend them with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with.
Ay, gabi sa kanan.
Ay, isang pinunod.
Wala din na ako tawag na dito siya. Kuya, dami one time katabang, ay ang tawag sa iya, Kuya Darlene, ako na dito sa kilala ko. Ayun,
Who you share it with. I believe what the point is.
Heartfelt gratitude din mo
Is
na
enjoying
ikaw ang
who
father.
you share it with.
Anyone can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. So, thank you. Happy birthday.
Who you share it with.
Impact na good na pamilya nila yung importante sa kanila. So, struggles ka nun, problema, everything in God's time, isaling lang din ninyo. Kaya, kaya ninyo